Hold tension on the main lines.
Clear on the clamps. Lock it down now.
All secure. Confirmed. All clear.
Be careful with that section, it looks fragile.
I know, I'm using the fine pick here.
Look at the displacement readings here.
It seems consistent with the degradation model. The symmetry is holding.
The tomography clearly shows the extent of the internal fractures.
And the samples indicate significant chloride contamination.
The internal corrosion on the left arm is worse than projected. We need to prioritize stabilization here.
Agreed. Look at the stress points around the shoulder junction. They are critical.
zoom in on sector gamma 12. The patina density matches the LiDAR scan.
Confirmed. The corrosion levels are stabilizing according to the predictive model.
The stress concentration at the shoulder is higher than anticipated.
Confirmed. The internal void runs deeper here.
The stress simulation shows the load path is critical here.
We need to reinforce the internal bracing before proceeding.
Intervention stages look good.
Safety checklists are validated.
All right, team. Plan approved. Let's begin the structural work.
The corrosion on the main support here is extensive. We need to focus reinforcement on this section immediately.
Right here, the stress point is critical.
Reading confirmed.
We'll need to redesign the support structure for this section.
Lower the frame by 10 millimeters on the east side. Confirmed. Lowering now. Check the laser alignment.
Alignment check on node 42.
Confirmed. Load path looks stable. Proceed with bonding sequence delta. Be careful with the pressure on the brush.
I am using the vacuum now.
Make sure the boundary line is clear.
We need to ensure the contour matches the original bronze here.
All right, I'm adding the next layer now.
See this area here. The patina removal is inconsistent with the digital overlay. We need to mark this for refinement.
Confirmed. I'll update the log.
Move the platform up 20 centimeters.
Watch the pressure on that section.
Hold it steady while I weld this section.
Okay, got it. How does the alignment look?
The degradation on this relief is extensive. Make sure to log the precise coordinates before applying the markers.
We need to slow down the abrasion right here. Check the reference model again for the depth.
The reconstructed arm and crown sections are compared against high-resolution 3D models. Engineers verify alignment and symmetry.
Make sure the transition is seamless, but don't over-polish it.
Copy that. Moving to the left side now. The detail on the thorns is exceptional here. We've stabilized the patina right up to the edge.
Yes, the contrast is perfect. We can proceed with the final coating. According to the scan data, the proportional balance is still slightly skewed on the right side.
Let's cross-reference with the original schematics. Watch the pressure on that section, and we need to maintain the patina.
Copy that. Moving to the left quadrant now.
The patina stabilization looks good here.
Yes. Yes, the electrolysis worked better than expected on the chest plate.
The patina here is very thick.
Use the solvent first, then the brush.
The data overlay confirms it. We achieved near-perfect form accuracy.
Incredible work. The structure is sound.
The structural integrity seems stable here. Confirmed. The microfractures are sealed.
Final indicators confirm full compliance. The statue is stable.
Acknowledged. We are green across all parameters. Check the tension on line 3.
Confirmed. Steady at 5,000.
All personnel, clear the area. Prepare for lift.
All teams maintain current vectors. We have precise alignment.
Copy that. Adjusting guide ropes now.
Solid contact. Installation complete. Well reorganization, everyone.
That's the last bolt, Titan. Solid. This isn't going anywhere.
Slow lift on the east side. Watch the cabling.
Copy that. Increasing tension now.
We are dead center on the x-axis.
Y-axis confirmed. Slow descent authorized.
Despacio, despacio. Cuidado con la izquierda.
Adelante, todo despejado. All teams confirm clear. Begin the vertical lift. Roger that.
Engaging main hydraulics. Tension holding.
Good morning, Lord. Before the noise of this world enters my ears, before my phone lights up, before responsibilities start pulling me in every direction, I pause right here to acknowledge you. God, this morning I don't come with perfect words. I come with a breathing heart. I come with tired thoughts, quiet hopes, unanswered questions, and a deep need for your presence. Thank you for waking me up today. Thank you that I am alive, that my lungs still breathe, that my heart still beats, that my life still has purpose, even when I don't fully see it. Lord, if someone is listening to this prayer right now, with heavy eyes, with a restless mind, with a burden they carried to bed last night and woke up with again this morning, let them feel this truth deep in their spirit. They are not alone, they are not forgotten, they are not late, they are not rejected. God, take control of this morning, take control of this day, take control of our thoughts, our decisions, our steps. And now, Lord, we enter this prayer together. Heavenly Father, I surrender this entire day into your hands. I give you my plans before they fail. I give you my schedule before it overwhelms me. I give you my expectations before they disappoint me. Go before me today, Lord. Stand beside me today, Lord. And remain within me today, Lord. If I walk into rooms where I feel small, remind me that you are big. If I face conversations that make my heart race, calm my spirit before I speak. If I encounter challenges that look impossible, teach me to trust your power more than my fear. God, align my heart this morning, not with pressure, not with comparison, not with fear of missing out, but with your will. Remove every anxiety that is trying to sit on my chest. Remove every negative thought that is whispering lies to my mind. Remove every memory that is trying to steal my peace. Lord, I ask you to guard my mind today. Guard it from doubt. Guard it from overthinking. Guard it from self-criticism. Guard it from voices that are not from you. Replace those thoughts with truth. Truth that says I am loved. Truth that says I am guided. Truth that says I am growing even when growth feels uncomfortable. Father God, I don't know what today holds, but I know who holds today. If success comes, keep me humble. If delays come, keep me patient. If rejection comes, keep me confident in you. If blessings come, keep me grateful. Lord, bless the work of my hands today. Bless my efforts. Bless my focus. Bless my discipline. Bless my consistency. Where I feel weak, be my strength. Where I feel confused, be my clarity. Where I feel tired, be my rest. Where I feel discouraged, be my hope. God, touch every area of my life this morning. Touch my mind, let it be calm and focused. Touch my heart, let it be pure and forgiving. Touch my body, let it be healthy and strong. Touch my spirit, let it be sensitive to your voice. Lord, I pray for protection today. Protect me from accidents seen and unseen. Protect me from wrong decisions. Protect me from harmful connections. Protect me from spiritual attacks that try to steal my joy. Cover me under your wings. Place a hedge of protection around my home, my family, my loved ones. Father, I lift up my family to you this morning. Those near me and those far away. Those I speak to daily and those I miss silently. Meet them at the point of their need. For the one who is sick, release healing. For the one who is struggling financially, open doors. For the one who feels lonely, send comfort. For the one who feels lost, bring direction. Lord, teach me how to walk with grace today. Grace when people are difficult. Grace when plans change. Grace when things don't go my way. Help me not to react out of emotion, but to respond out of wisdom. God, I don't want to rush through this day without you. I want to notice you in small moments, in quiet pauses, in unexpected kindness, in subtle guidance. Let my life today be a reflection of your love. Let my words carry peace. Let my actions reflect integrity. Let my attitude glorify you. Father, forgive me for yesterday, for the words I shouldn't have spoken, for the thoughts I shouldn't have entertained, for the moments I trusted myself more than you. I release yesterday now. I step fully into today. Lord, if there is something you want to change in me, give me the courage to allow it. If there is something you want to remove from my life, give me the strength to let it go. If there is something you want to build in me, give me patience for the process. I trust you, God. Lord, as this prayer keeps rising like incense, I stay still before you. I quiet every inner rush. I slow down my breathing. I let your presence settle deeper than my thoughts. God, teach me this morning how to wait without worrying, how to trust without seeing, how to move without fear. Some answers are delayed, Lord, but I choose not to doubt you in the waiting. Some doors are closed right now, but I choose not to panic in the silence, because silence does not mean absence. Delay does not mean denial. Waiting does not mean weakness. Father, if today brings pressure, help me remember that pressure cannot crush what you are holding. If today brings temptation, help me remember that obedience always leads to peace. If today brings unexpected trouble, help me remember that you already went ahead of me. God, strengthen my inner man today, not just my emotions, but my spirit. Build a quiet confidence inside me. A confidence that doesn't need applause. A confidence that doesn't shake with opinions. A confidence rooted in knowing you are with me. Lord, I pray for my thought life again, because battles often start in the mind. Guard my thoughts from replaying old failures. Guard my thoughts from imagining worst-case scenarios. Guard my thoughts from comparing my journey to others. Help me stay focused on my lane, my assignment, my season. Father, I surrender control. Control over outcomes, control over timing, control over people. I release the need to force things. I release the urge to rush ahead of you. I release the habit of worrying about tomorrow. Jesus, teach me to live today, faithfully, fully, peacefully. Lord, if today I feel unseen, remind me that you see everything. If today I feel unheard, remind me that you listen closely. If today I feel undervalued, remind me that my worth was settled at the cross. God, I pray for divine alignment today. Align my steps with the right opportunities. Align my heart with the right desires. Align my conversations with the right people. Disconnect me from distractions disguised as blessings. Protect me from paths that look good but lead nowhere. Father, give me discernment. Discernment to know when to speak and when to stay quiet. discernment to know when to move and when to wait, discernment to recognize your voice above all others. Lord, breathe peace into my nervous system right now, peace into my shoulders, peace into my chest, peace into my sleep patterns, peace into my reactions. I refuse to carry stress that does not belong to me. I refuse to rehearse fear. I refuse to give anxiety permission to rule my day. God, I choose trust again and again. I trust you with my career. I trust you with my finances. I trust you with my relationships. I trust you with my calling. I trust you with my future, even when progress feels slow, even when answers feel far, even when faith feels quiet. Lord, let this morning prayer reshape me, not emotionally for a moment, but spiritually for a lifetime. Shape my character in private, shape my faith in hardship, shape my obedience in uncertainty. Father, I ask for strength for those listening right now, who are tired of being strong, who smile in public but ache in private, who pray quietly but cry loudly inside. Meet them right now, not with noise but with peace, not with pressure but with reassurance, not with condemnation but with grace. God, let them feel held, let them feel understood, let them feel safe in you. Lord, I continue to sit in this prayer. I don't rush it, I don't end it. I stay connected because you are still speaking, you are still working, you are still near, and I remain here. Listening, trusting, breathing, praying. Lord, as this prayer slowly reaches its closing moment, I don't walk away from your presence. I carry it with me. I carry your peace into this day. I carry your wisdom into every decision. I carry your strength into every responsibility. God, whatever this day brings, I choose faith over fear. I choose trust over anxiety. I choose gratitude over complaint. If I stumble today, lift me gently. If I succeed today, keep me grounded. If I wait today, keep me hopeful. If I walk today, walk with me. Lord, seal this prayer in my spirit. Let it echo when I feel rushed. Let it return when I feel weak. Let it guide me when I feel unsure. I step into this morning covered, guided, protected, and loved, not because of my strength, but because of your grace. I release this day